Hello, creative people! Today we are going to make a simple dream catcher, and these are the materials we need: 2 mm brown and white cotton cord, 6-inch diameter ring, beads and feathers, and of course, don't forget your favorite scissor and a fabric glue. So let's get started. First, grab your white cord. It should be about 300 centimeter long. We will wrap it around the ring. I usually start wrapping by taking about 1-inch cord under the first few loops that I make instead of tying a knot. It just makes it more neat and flat. Then later I will add a fabric glue to make it more secure. Now it's time to lock the end of our wrap knot. I did not fully cover the ring and left about 6-inch gap to attach the feathers later. Let's add glue to secure both ends. We are now going to make the web design inside our circle using the brown cord, 120 inches long. Start by tying a simple knot to attach the brown cord. Loop it over the ring and pass it under your loop to the left side. That will create a stopper when you move to the next loop. Just repeat the same process until you covered the whole ring. Leave about 1.5-inch gap for every loop. Continue with the second layer. This time, insert your cord under the first gap and pass it through the right, repeating the same process until you covered the whole ring. Continue making the web until you reach the center of the ring. Now we are at the center, it's time to create a lock to hold the web design. I made 2 locks to secure the knots and keep it at the center. Now let's add 3 beads at the center of our web. Attach a small masking tape at the end of your cord to make it easy to insert the beads. Now let's create a lock to secure the beads. Now let's add 34 white cords using lark's head knot. Each cord is 15 inches long. Grab 2 cords on each side to start making a spiral knot. To make a spiral knot, all you have to do is tie a continuous left square knot. Cut it about 6 inches long from the start of your spiral knot. Let's add beads before attaching the feathers. I skip 4 cords for each beads except on the last 2 beads, which have 3 cords gap only. Let me show you how I add these feathers. Make a simple knot at the end of the cord. Don't pull it too tight yet. Insert the feather shaft and lock it by pulling the end of the cord tightly. Then add glue around the ends of the cord to secure the feather. You can now bring the beads to cover the knot around the feather. And cut the excess cord to keep it clean. Repeat the same process for all cords with beads. And here's our dream catcher. Thanks for watching and see you in our next project.